Okay, so Ryan, why is JFI so important to this company?
The Just Fix It program is critical to the success of Lippert. The Just Fix It platform allows our team members to impact the safety, processes, and quality they interact with daily. And we believe that an empowered team member is a happier, more productive team member at Lippert.
For me, it's every team member can be empowered. I mean, we can give more of our team members purpose and meaning at work because we're allowing them to think about how to do their job differently every day.
You know, and this year the culture has just been really engaged, and more plants are getting involved and really challenging and trusting the team members to make positive change for the processes that they control. And I'm really excited that I think we're going to be right at that 17,000 mark, and right now we're at 16,500.
When I think of over 16,000 JFIs, I'm thinking about, you know, the thousands of improvements that have been made over the business with each one of those. And we formalize a lot of those. So when I go to the plants and I see, you know, what's on the walls and the improvements that our people are making, it's a really remarkable achievement. Every time the plant team members talk about JFIs, I mean, their faces light up, and you know, you can see the pride that people have just, you know, being allowed to figure out how they can make all these improvements to the business. It's awesome.
It's us showing that we truly trust them, right? Like, we're empowering them to make positive change to those processes.
And you said it a minute ago too, trust. I mean, you see all this trust building up between the team members, and that's what culture engagement's all about. It's about, you know, trust and collaboration, and JFIs just give people a way to collaborate around the business, around their work cells, and it's just great to see people work together the way they are. We wouldn't have that kind of engagement if we didn't have this Just Fix It program.